Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows and where it opened, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $5 mark. Why is $5 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about if the price were to come down here, and then when it gets to 5, it just continues on down. At that point in time, what would you have in this situation? You would literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from today. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, but however, in this situation, the price does something like that and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am just quantifying and defining the quote-unquote progress point, again, as the $5 mark. In terms of levels of resistance, pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line, which is currently where the price is doing battle. And that pink line is the famous, on my chart, 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, that level does tend to act as resistance. Not impossible to break or anything like that. But yeah, it's not exactly shocking to see that after the price essentially went straight up, it all of a sudden started to go sideways right up here around that pink line. That's not a coincidence, so it makes sense why all that price action is occurring. So that'll definitely be the key battleground to fight through, as the week progresses. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.